I am going to give you an update from here so that you see how much I got done. So yesterday I had to stop because it got dark. I did videotape, but it was really dark, so I don't know how it came out. So I just thought I'd show you again. So I did come out early this morning because I didn't get as much done as I wanted to yesterday. So I did from here all the way over to this bare spot here. So I've got about 2/3 done now. And of course, there's stuff coming in already. So this morning I came out and did that, and then I finished off the corner here that I didn't do yesterday. So clearly the moss is covering everything. I guess I just didn't notice it before. I'm usually not here at this time. My neighbors are here. One lantern is not on yet. So these missing one, and these are just coming on. Still one lantern is not on. So time to go in, have a shower, my dinner, and chill. Nice sunset. Good night. So I didn't accomplish much today because it's been threatening rain. It was supposed to be nice, 30 degrees, fully sun, and guess what? We didn't get that. So I came down here this morning and I still couldn't find my my blade, my utility knife. So finally found it, got it all cleared up, Now I can see some dark underneath the white, the beads. So I don't know how it's gonna look. I'm gonna try it anyway. It's getting dark. I'm usually not out here this time of night. So I'm going in before the bears come to get me. Have a good night, everyone. So I'm going to take a quick break by the beach. And I have to do those chairs today. No excuse. No excuse. These are just so lovely. These are limelights. They have a fresh scent too. Didn't know that. What I'd like to do today is either this triangle here from here to there, or then from the tree trunk to there. I think from here to there, lengthwise. So did that, and here is this space now without those logs there. The decking stuff I will be moving next week or the week after, because I'd like to get the that done. Water all the plants, including the Rose of Sharon there. And then I cleaned up Sparky. It was in dire need. So scrub down all the chairs. It needs a power wash. But I can't bring it up, it's too heavy. And I couldn't leave it the way it was anymore. And I hosed it down because it was absolutely filthy. So that little pile over there with the wood, I'm gonna have to burn that, because we're going to make a little wood pile, maybe over there, or then over here in the corner there. Over there it's out of the way and it's covered. So I don't know. Would be nice for a fire. Now I'm really anxious to get these patio stones done. They're not level. There's a big puddles in the middle, and then at one point towards the orange chair there, it's higher. So I think I'm just gonna sit here and do a little my Sudoku. So I finally did get all the glue out, but I think you're gonna see some dark underneath the beads. There's a few there. So I'll see how it comes out. It's a beautiful day. It's breezy. And it's warm. It's about 27. Luckily it's breezy. It's just a little bit of humidity, not a lot. Just gorgeous.